Not even 100-foot drop can spring its seeds from their rock-hard shell. Only a safecracker could bust into this strongbox. The light-fingered agouti. This toothy rodent is the only creature with the right tools to jimmy open the case. And when it comes to the nuts inside, he's just gotta have 'em all. If there's any leftovers, he stashes them in little caches throughout the forest, so he can enjoy them later. But this forest filcher has so many hidden away, he can't possibly remember where they all are. And it's his lost seeds